Hi, I'm Dewald from Brasco. I deal with the installations of extraction canopies, supply air systems, and these systems we typically install within kitchens, commercial spaces, and we then use calculations and so on to design systems so we can comply with South African national standard. Now, we believe in a system. If you do something, you have to do it right, and we take this very seriously, and that's where when we go and do an installation, we ensure that all the ducting, fans, and silencers they're sized to the correct spec as to what your needs are. So when we head through to site to assess what the client needs, we look at the equipment that's below the canopy. We then, after we've had a look at that, then we have to decide, right, what is going to be the most effective way for our ducting to get to the outside. Now, the shortest route is the best. We don't want the grease to lay in a horizontal position for too long. Now, if the site requirements are in such a way that we need to do this, it's fine. But we would prefer to take the shortest route. After we've pinpointed that, then we run through towards center management, for example, gain approval by sending in reports, and then a proposal of how the system will look once it's installed.